Okay, this is also amazing today. On the 15th of July 2023, this is Porvoonkatu. It would be Porvoonkatu in Swedish. 7 staircase seam, and we need to film the staircase D later here also. It's also with MP8, but then the staircase B is with the Valmetslieren.
No.
We have filmed the staircase B.
Yeah, it has also been repainted inside. It was yellow before.
It was yellow before. So it was built in 1973, turning 50 years old this year in 2023, and December 30763. To be expected the next year, 2024. Is here in Kerava, Uusma, Finland, and Helsingfors region. But I like the smell in here.
Same. Niissä piti paikkivaisi, mutta meitä pautissa on överskrattis.
So the color was a lemon yellow. It was a lemon yellow before.
Yeah. That's